What's up everybody, my name's Grace and today I'm here to do something a little bit different. As you can see in front of me, I have a whole suite of Cricut goodies that have been sent to me and I'm going to be jumping into some DIY projects. Now I am totally new to this world, but I'm super excited to check out the Cricut Joy. As I said, this has all been sent to me. This is a sponsored video / stream with Cricut. So what you're about to see over here on YouTube is clips from my Twitch stream. I'm going to be making a variety of different things and I'm going to show you all here the best bits. Thanks to Cricut for reaching out and introducing me to the world of crafting. I'm really excited to get started. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Open this bad boy up and see what we're working with. So this is going to be the star of the show today. This is the Cricut Joy. So it is a writing and cutting machine extravaganza. And I'm hoping for someone who is completely new to the craft world, it's gonna help me make some cool stuff today. It is our DIY best friend. Ooh, I love the color. So cute, oh my goodness. All right. Wow. Very cute. So this is where everything goes in. So that is where the cutter is. And you can put the pens in there as well and it will draw things for you. So good. What else we got in here? Oh yeah. I'm sewing over my head right now. I'm scared. I should have my heart rate monitor on. Ugh. You wanna help me with crafts? You gonna help? Yeah? You've already got cat hair on it. If you guys are in Australia, you can get one of these bad boys from JB Hi-Fi, Spotlight, Harvey Norman. The Spotlight that I went to at least had like an entire section of just Cricut and there was all different types of cards, all of those different types of vinyls, tons of different things. We also have the Easy Press to open as well, which I'll open up once we've got the Joy set up. Like all of this stuff, you'll notice has like Joy written on it. So you know, like this is for the Joy. So this is the smaller of the devices. So obviously there are limitations to the size of things you can fit, but you can actually cut up to 6 meters with this, which is freaking crazy. So just imagine like 6 meters along this, it can cut. So you can make some pretty big stuff. So while we wait for our Joy to update, we're gonna open up the Easy Press Mini. Mini, but mighty. Let's do it. So this is compatible with the infusible ink. So we're gonna be able to use this little guy to press onto the tote bag that I bought and the coasters. So we're gonna put glitter on everything. Oh my God, it's so cute. Look at it. Adorable. Look at this. I love it. Okay, so confirm the blade is set in place with the clamp closed. So this is the little blade. If we open that up, you can see the blade in there. And that's how you switch it out. So this is the blade. So we're gonna pop it back in there. Looks like it's in there. We're gonna clamp it in, confirming it is cool. So confirmed, prepare. Insert the smart vinyl under the guides and up against the rollers. Okay. Oh, oh. Stop! Oh no. Stop! Okay, it realized that I did it wrong and it canceled it. Excellent. Nailed it! I told you I'm new. So the vinyl is in. Now it's gonna cut my flower. I'm showing the real experience here for someone that is like completely not, okay, it wasn't gonna start cutting, it's all right. So it's noob friendly, we can guarantee that. Cutting is in progress now. Do your thing. Look at it go. Cool. All right, now we take it out, I think. I would love to, can I, you gotta press unload. Smart. Unload. Okay, remove the cut image from the backer. Look at that. We have a flower. Yeah. Should I put it on my drink bottle? Okay, let's customize our first thing. Look at that. Stunning. That looks like it's gonna last. Look at that. Our first craft with the sample vinyl. I'm really excited about it. That's adorable. Okay, so we're gonna create a hey thanks rainbow card. We're gonna use this as the base stock, and then I think probably one of these real shiny ones with like this one. I think these, oh, that's so pretty. Let's do these two together. So we're gonna pop this guy in. We've pushed it down lots. So we're gonna put this guy in. And then we're gonna do rainbow. So we've got our insert card stock. Yeah, this is a cute one. And go. Pray. Pray for me. We're gonna get rainbows. So we're gonna go unload. It is done. Look at that. That looks amazing. You ready? Also, a plus of the sticky is it takes it all off for you, so you don't have to weed it individually. Look. Oops. That is so good. Oh my goodness. Wow. And then we pop this in. So it cuts out the little corners as well. So you can put in your little inserts. And there you have it. So cute. Oh my goodness. Look at it. That is adorable. Oh, first successful Cricut creation. We go rainbow thanks card, and then we can write on the inside and we can send that to somebody. Cute. Should we put it onto this bottle? Oh my gosh, that's gonna be so much work. If you don't have smart vinyl, it looks like you load your machine with this, so it cuts on the mat. But because we're using smart vinyl, we can say without the mat. So it says without the mat for Cricut smart materials only. This is smart vinyl. I'm gonna confirm it's on the packaging. So we're gonna go without mat. Cool. Okay, smart vinyl permanent. Checking the length. Excellent. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay, do it. Do it. So there's our cut. That's my new logo in like the script. So we're gonna attempt to cut this out. I'm really impressed with how it cut this though. I wasn't expecting it to like, I don't know, I just wasn't expecting it to cut that perfectly. I think we kept all the little bits too. I don't think any bits got lost. That's pretty amazing. So far so good. Ooh, oh my goodness. Wow. And now we can put it straight into the bottle. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's down. Okay. It's going there. No, that was actually quite an easy process. Like the weeding wasn't as tedious as I was expecting, because this is a very intricate thing with all of the filigree and the little curls and stuff. So I'm pretty impressed. Wow. I'm so impressed. Wow, that looks amazing. So we got our flower from the test. Nice and easy. And then bam. Wow. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let's make more. Ooh. This is happening. This is happening. Go. 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 Good boy. You did it. Okay, we're gonna pop our paper inside. I mean, it's not meant to go here, but I'm thinking of like putting it here, like that. That's cool. Oh my Lord, it's happening. I think it's done. So it's meant to look like this color. This is what the color of the paper was before. Oh my God! I'm sorry, kitties, this is loud. Ah! That's amazing. The color's sick. Wow. Wow. Okay, so I lost like a tiny, tiny little bit on the tail, but like, what? So neat. Oh my God. Perfect. I love it. That looks amazing. Oh my gosh. That's so sick. Yes. Nailed it. Actually nailed it. Look at that. Wow. Oh, I love it. That's great. So that is gonna wrap up the crafts for today. Thank you so much everyone for joining on Twitch. And if you're watching the YouTube video, I hope you enjoyed it. This was a lot of fun. Definitely gonna do some more crafts in the future. And massive shout out to Cricut for, oh careful hun, that's hot. Massive love and shout out to Cricut for sponsoring the stream and giving me all of these goodies to play with, because this was so fun. This was really, really fun. So thank you for watching. If you're watching on YouTube, we'll see you in the next video or in the next stream. And I hope you enjoyed.